Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Claire and today's video is going to be about 5 healthy dinner recipes to cook during the week. So if you're lacking a bit of inspiration or ideas about what to cook during the week, or if you have a really busy life or schedule and you're always in a rush and you don't really have time to overthink what you're gonna cook, then this video is made for you so you don't end up cooking instant noodles. Those recipes honestly are so simple to make and don't require a ton of ingredients, and it always turned out delicious, and it's also boyfriend approved. So yeah, if you have like boyfriends that will like it. Enough talking, let's move on to the recipes. So the first recipe is my absolute favorite of all of them. It's the quesadillas. I love Mexican food. It's my all-time favorite, and I think I cook Mexican at least once a week. I had to try to make my own quesadillas, and like the tenderness of the chicken and the cheesiness is just the perfect combos. The second recipe is actually French, and it's Ratatouille. So if you saw the movie, you probably know about it. But if you have fresh veggies and especially really tasty tomatoes, a bit of spices, and like an oven, then it's super easy to make. You put that for 30 minutes and then it's done. You have your veggies for a few days, and whenever you crave like fresh veggies, that's perfect. My third recipe is actually the perfect combo when I'm feeling really hungry and I really crave something fulfilling but not with meat, and I call it my Morrocan style nourish bowl. So you make it with chickpeas and also tomato sauce and carrots, and you let it like stir like a curry. My fourth recipe actually tastes so freaking delicious. It's my gluten-free healthy nuggets, and I love nuggets. I don't know about you, but I'm a fan of those. I love every fried pan food, but it's just you have to make a healthier option by using gluten-free bread or gluten-free crackers, and also no egg or just more healthier flour, and that's it. And to fry your nuggets, you actually use coconut oil instead of other oils, and I promise you it makes all the difference in the taste, so give it a try. My last recipe is obviously a pasta one, because who doesn't cook pasta during the week? I don't know, but I love my pasta with creaminess and cheese in it, so I decided to go for a healthier option and a vegan one. So I made my cheesy sauce with cashew nuts that you just boil in water, and also with nutritional yeast, which can be used as a vegan option for cheese. That's it for my 5 healthy dinner recipes. I hope you like them, and I hope it gave you some inspirations for your next meals. You can obviously cook them at lunch as well, and they are all nutrient dense, cooked with really wholesome ingredients and nourishing and fulfilling, so you feel satisfied after it and you don't especially feel hungry. If you do make them, please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram right here, and also don't forget to let me know in the comments down below. I will be super happy. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!